Listen, let me help you out here. If you want to start making fuck you money as an AI advisor, please, for the love of God, stop selling AI agents. AI agents don't make real money. People don't want to be sold AI tools that they don't even understand. If someone doesn't get what a tool does, they're not going to want to buy it. Why would you buy it? It's the same thing if you don't know how to use it. A lot of times when you don't want something, you don't even know how it works, you don't even use it or you're not interested in it. And that's how some people are. They don't like what they don't understand. So when you try showing up, trying to pitch them this AI chatbot, they don't fucking want it. But so, here's the thing. I still made decent money with AI last month. Actually, 32K to be exact. My whole business is practically built on it. But I'm actually going to explain what I actually did because no one else is doing this. Most people are stuck in the AI trap or the AI agent trap or what I like to call dev brain, right? You're sitting here and you're overthinking every fucking thing. You spend all of your fucking time looking on YouTube videos when there's probably thousands of videos by now, people creating AI agents telling you that this is the new thing. Showing it's like a measuring contest to see who has the longest NAND node or who has the biggest make agents. It's so stupid. And you're getting caught up in the hype. Sell AI agents, build AI bots, build AI chatbots, voice agents. The AI takeover is here. They're just trying to go viral on YouTube. That's literally it. But where it's bad for you is you're consuming those videos nonstop. And between me and you, have you actually taken real action to sell that? Most of the people building the agents aren't even selling it themselves. And that's just the truth. And let's be real. Do you actually think making an AI chatbot is going to make you good money? I can tell you right now it's not. Look at your competition. Everybody and their cousin are literally trying to sell AI agents. And if there's one thing I know is supply and demand is a thing. You cannot constantly always go and sell the same thing as everyone else is selling. The value will decrease and go lower. And you want to see some proof on why the more people that learn about AI agents, the less valuable it's going to become? Because you can already literally go check Fiverr. People are literally selling this shit for 10, fucking 20, 30, $50. This is the fucking thing that shows you that, okay, maybe what I'm doing, I just need to drop it because this is low key kind of cooked, because it is. I just want you guys to see that it's not as valuable as it used to be. There's people overseas that will literally do this shit for some fucking candy. But what if I told you there's a completely different way to make money with AI that 95% of people don't even understand yet? You'll be sitting there stuck building workflows for $500 to $2,000 max, trying to go and sell to the next person and sell to the next person. And I'm going to tell you right now, that is not going to get you the freedom that you're looking for, or the extra not guaranteed, but the extra income that you're looking for. It's not. You're just going to burn out. Supply and demand one-on-one, fellas. If you're offering what everyone else is offering, it's not valuable. If everybody knew how to flip a burger, it's not valuable. That's why they only pay minimum wage for it. Not everyone knows how to launch a rocket into space. That's why those people that launch rockets into space are paid a lot more money than people that can flip burgers. It's because it's more valuable because less amount of people know how to do it. Everybody and their mom knows how to make AI agents now. And this happens over and over and over. It's the same thing that happened with people that got into dropshipping late. I hope you're not doing dropshipping nowadays. Same people that got into crypto late. And now it's going to be the same people that get into AI agents late. It's the same exact pattern. Don't you see it? Don't you see it? Selling AI agents is freelancer thinking. And I promise, freelancers don't make serious money. I've been one before. The most you see freelancers making is $3 to $5 a month. And you're doing side jobs. You don't even own a real business. You're just trying to find the next job and the next job and the next job. You cannot provide for yourself and build the freedom that you're looking for if you're going to do that. I know I couldn't. That's why I had to stop. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. You're building AI agents and you're trading in your time for money. Bro, you and I both know when you're trading in time for money, you're just working another job. You're not growing in the way you want to grow. You build something once, you sell it once, and then you have to go out again. Last time I checked, we're in 2025. We're not hunter-gatherers anymore. We don't have to wake up with a spear and a knife and go hunt for the next meal. It's the same thing you guys are doing in business. Why on God's green earth would you want to hunt for the next meal? I don't want to do that. I want to wake up and see food in the fridge. I want to see food there. I want to know that stuff is there. I have resources. It's the same thing. Stop selling. Stop going off and trying to sell the next thing. Go to kill the next thing. It doesn't work. You're putting yourself in a perpetual loop. You might as well work at Starbucks if you're going to do that. Let's be honest, bro. You're pushing a rock up a hill every single day. You got to have strong legs by now. And to be honest, it's not about working harder, right? It's about the boat that you're in, right? It doesn't matter how hard you row. A lot of times it's about the boat that you're in. You're always going to lose if you're rowing an oar versus someone that has a propeller behind their boat. It's just the truth. Like, I just want to just let you guys know and be transparent, right? Because I've been there before. You're not special because you know how to use NAN or Make. It's not a competitive advantage anymore. There are hundreds of tutorials on YouTube now. You think people don't know how to make them? You're in the right space, right? You're almost there. You're in the right space with AI and where AI is going because you are still catching the uptrend. But the more people that learn how to do it, the more, less valuable it's going to become. So the move is you need to stop selling AI tools or even start trying to learn AI tools and become an AI advisor. Instead of charging one-time payments like a hunter-gatherer, how about you get paid repeatedly for the system you built and put inside the business? Instead of pitching bots, you become a partner inside of the business. You install systems that generate real revenue and you take a percentage off of it. I mean, that's what I do. That's how I made $32K last month. I didn't sell chatbots. I told them I'll install a system that makes them revenue and I'll just take a percentage off what works and the revenue it makes. You simply find businesses already spending money to solve a problem and you position AI as a revenue driver, not a cost. And the best part is I'm here to help out. I've already built the system for you. You can check the description and join the free Discord. You'll get access to ready to go AI agents that you can go ahead and start having the confidence to go and start pitching businesses. It works. I used it. Install the system, set up a rev share, and get paid off the results. That's really how you'll be free to do whatever you want, right? As long as you have money that covers your expenses, you're free to do whatever you want. That's real freedom. And of course, I have to be fair. I know what a lot of you guys are thinking, but how do I convince businesses to give me a revenue share? I'm a beginner, or I just found what this is. But the thing is, you don't convince them. You show them, right? You give them a test drive. It already works. They'll see. How do when people buy cars, what is the main way that gets them to buy the car? It's not the salesman. It's the test drive. The test drive sells itself. And the reason why I'm telling you to do it like this is because that's how I do it. When I didn't have a bunch of AI experience or I didn't have a bunch of experience working with businesses like this, I needed confidence. And that's what you should do as well. You should implement that to build up confidence for yourself. Because just like anything else, people that play basketball growing up, typically when someone has a good game, they make shots early in the game, like their first 2 shots go in, and they build confidence throughout the rest of the game because I'm actually making shots, I should keep shooting. Same thing with you. The first client you get and you start to get results, you're like, oh, this stuff actually works. Let's just keep doing it. And even if you don't want to get your foot in the door with those big businesses, try a little smaller businesses and it still works. Get your foot in the door and get some results. You don't need to be a genius. You just need the right momentum and you need to be in the right boat. Don't be like the Indonesian kid on the boat with the oars. Be on a speedboat. At the end of the day, you want to get to your destination as fast as possible. Don't go in a life raft. Go in a speedboat. And I'm here to show you that this completely works for me. Like, as you can see here, these are the results I'm actually getting by doing this. I'm not just telling you to do something that I wouldn't do. I'm not like that. I'm actually in the field doing this with other businesses. And the process for this is simple, right? Find businesses already spending money on the problem you solve, position AI as a revenue generating system, not a cost, and negotiate with the revenue share instead of an upfront fee. Then install the system and let it run 24/7 and you manage it and you collect the money off of the revenue that it's making. And I don't want you to think by any means that this is like super easy. Because I'm telling you right now, it's not. You're going to have to do work, right? Even though, you will have the agents that work already, you have to still train your brain to look for those opportunities, find those opportunities, set everything up, tweak it a little bit for this specific business so you can get the best results. This is not going to be a walk in the park, but anything that's actually worth making money that's real is never a walk in the park. Don't listen to anyone telling you otherwise. And that's what you're here for, to be able to go in and get the type of results, to be able to be free and do what you want to do. Now, of course, you have 2 options. If you want to actually make money as an AI advisor, you can keep building AI agents for, one-time fees and, not make as much money like everyone else. Or you can learn how to be an AI advisor and actually start making money to be able to get the freedom that you want. Like I said, I've been there. I too wanted to be able to stop looking at the price tag, buy the food that I wanted, go wherever I wanted, wake up when I wanted, not have to listen to anyone and be able to just wake up every day and decide, okay, this is what I want to do. And it's more than possible for you if you go into the right opportunity. If you want me to show you exactly how to make this transition from an AI builder to an AI advisor, you can check the link below and I have a free training on how you can do it too as well. Link is in the description. But until then, I hope you found this video valuable. Take care. Peace.